Welcome to the downtown Sioux Falls Burger Battle, where culinary creativity collides with beefy brilliance. I'm Jeb Cooper, your guide through this ultimate showdown of sizzling patties and bold flavors.
You ready?
So Langston,
Yep.
you're a Burger Battle legend.
Yep.
I wouldn't want to announce this new award that we're giving away with anybody else.
Okay.
So this year,
Oh, snap.
we're giving the kitchen that sells the most burgers an official Burger Battle belt.
Okay.
Show that thing off. Oh my gosh, isn't it a beaut?
Look at that. Dude, that's sweet, man.
Oh my gosh. Who do you think's gonna win? Who do you want to see take the cake?
Gosh. Without eating all the burgers, I have no idea.
Okay. That's
Without
fair.
eating all the burgers.
Uh-huh.
You asked me like about 8 o'clock tonight, I might have an answer for you.
All right.
But as of right now,
Yeah.
man, that's a sweet belt.
It's pretty nice, right? It's got some weight to it. Yeah. You know, we just want to show the kitchen staff some love. They work hard all January.
Yeah.
We sold 75,000 burgers last year. We're looking to sell at least 75,000 this year. And so we want to do a little something.
Dude, this is awesome. I think a lot of the kitchen staffs are gonna love having this hanging in their kitchen.
Isn't that nice?
Dude, that's pretty sweet.
Well, say it's been a pleasure, Langston.
Mhm.
Good luck on the journey today.
Thank you to this year's 2025 Burger Battle sponsor, Poet.